need a glowing skincare regime? Wait, let me just drink mine first. Hey you guys, I'm Oshin and this is my very first YouTube video. I'm actually very excited to finally start this journey. Well, through this channel, I'll be posting contents related to skincare, makeup, beauty and fashion hacks, which will elevate your overall grooming and lifestyle. Because, this is something that I live by. I actually like to live better and get better each and every day. So I like to do all of those things which contributes to my overall well-being. So, talking about that, let's get into today's video. This particular drink in my hand is so rich in antioxidants, antibacterial properties, bioactive compounds, vitamin C, uh, you know, enhancing the overall skin health, hair health, and also not just that, if you want to lose weight, this is the best drink you can have. So this particular drink, I take it in the morning, empty stomach, one full glass, and you're good to go. To make the drink, we need some Indian gooseberry or amla, some chopped ginger, some freshly chopped rough turmeric. Pour in some warm water and blend it well. Once blended, strain it into a glass, squeeze in some lemon and stir it with some honey. So basically this drink will help reduce signs of aging. So it will make your skin look youthful. You can maintain it by drinking this religiously each and every day. Zero side effects. Also, not only that, it enhances your overall hair health as well. Besides all of that, it also helps in the production of collagen, so which will make your skin wrinkle free and ageless. I hope this helps, and for more such content, just like, share and subscribe. Meanwhile, I'll enjoy the drink. Bye.